अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक कंफर्टिंग इंडियन डेजर्ट बना लेते हैं विथ ग्रेटेड कैरेट्स, राइस एंड मिल्क। बहुत आसान है, बहुत इजी है। यू कैन मेक इट एनी टाइम, जब दिल करे तब बना लो या फिर स्पेशल ओकेशंस पे बना लो। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। For this, I have taken 1 liter milk. While the milk is boiling, I have taken 1 big handful of basmati rice. I have soaked and washed it. Now I'm going to coarsely grind it. To the milk, after the first boil, add 4 to 5 carrots finely grated. Cook till 80 to 90% done. Once the carrots are almost done, add half a cup, that is around 1 handful of basmati rice washed and ground coarsely. Let it cook till the rice becomes soft. Keep stirring continuously, else it will burn at the base. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar, depending on the sweetness you require. I have also added 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Mix well. If you don't want to add condensed milk, increase the quantity of the sugar. Also add a pinch of cardamom powder or 2 pods of cardamom. Just peel them and add them to the sweet. Keep on low flame for another 2 minutes. Kheer is almost done. All you have to do is garnishing. Saute sliced dry nuts. You can add any nuts of your choice. I've taken pista and badam. Saute the sliced nuts in 1.5 teaspoon of ghee. Pour over the kheer and that's it. Garnishing is also done. Gajar and rice kheer is now ready to serve. Do try it out. You can serve it warm or cold. It's up to you. Ingredients and method is always given in the description box. Do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.